Everyone, today's topic is that whether parents should be hypocrites or not. So, for example, a family member of my family in the morning told me that it is not advisable and it is not good to watch videos on phone while having your meal. I said okay. I kept my phone aside, and then the same family member of mine was watching videos while having a meal in the afternoon. So I said, wow, what a hypocrite. And I also said that please don't take it on your ego. I just said it in a satirical sense. And the family member responded, yeah, I didn't take it on my ego. I said, truth is always bitter, my dear friend. So then he again laughed. So the moral of the story is that children shouldn't be taught such things which parents do not implement themselves. For example, once while reading the newspaper few years ago, I heard this news that the parent was trying to teach his child that one should not tell lies. And then when someone came at the door and asked that where is your father, then the father said to the child that please reply I am not at home. So he is telling some other kind of thing to his child and is expecting his child to not tell lies. So basically, whatever is being told and whatever is being practically done, there's a lot of difference between the two. And children and all, even also adults, imitate what is the practical reality and not what is written in the textbooks or the moral science books. For example, I will give you another example. For example, if a parent is a, for example, in moral science books, it is written that always respect your parents and obey your parents. Is it the case in practical life or real life? For example, a parent of a child is a doctor, and he is forcing his child to become a doctor while he wants to become an engineer or a poet, or he wants to go into the literature field. Like example was given in Three Idiots that virus's son committed suicide because he wasn't allowed to write poetry and his father wanted him to become an engineer. So here, should the child oppose his parent, or should he obey his parent and spoil his entire career and the rest of his life doing something which he isn't interested in at all? So we should, instead of practicing what is written in the moral science books, we should always look into the reality as it is and then take a decision. And also, parents shouldn't be hypocrites. They shouldn't try to teach their children something which they themselves don't do, and which they themselves do the opposite thing which they are telling to their child to do. So basically, first of all, set a good example yourself. For example, if you are guiding your child that please don't speak a lie, then you yourself always speak the truth, then the child will copy you. But if you're telling that no, speak, if you're yourself speaking lie and then you're expecting the child that he will speak the truth, then sorry to say, my dear parent, the child is not going to do that. So basically, set a good example and set a precedent for your child to follow yourself, because children and even adults follow reality and not the words of the textbook. So that was all. Thank you for patient listening.